Hello, this is Error Code Explained channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Let's talk about p0335. This code is similar to all car make and model. In this case, we will be discussing about p0335 OBD E trouble code, crankshaft position sensor, a circuit malfunction. Cost of diagnosing the p0335 code. p0335 is a diagnostic trouble code, DTC, for crankshaft position sensor, a circuit malfunction. This can happen for multiple reasons, and a mechanic needs to diagnose the specific cause for this code to be triggered in your situation. p0335 code definition. p0335 is a OBD2 generic diagnostic trouble code DTC indicating a malfunction in the crankshaft position circuit. What the p0335 code means. The p0335 DTC is set once the powertrain control module PCM fails to detect proper sensor operation from the crankshaft position sensor. This causes the check engine light to be displayed on the dashboard and a failsafe mode enabled. What causes the p0335 code? p0335 can have a variety of causes such as open or short in the wiring harness, poor electrical connections, crankshaft position sensor failure, damaged signal plate, broken timing belt or chain, PCM faulty. What are the symptoms of the p0335 code? Symptoms can vary greatly with p0335. The check engine light may not illuminate until the symptoms happen more than once. Some vehicles may not start at all with the p0335 code, and in other cases, the car may run poorly and suffer from a lack of engine power. The vehicle may stall and exhibit worse than normal fuel mileage. How does a mechanic diagnose the p0335 code? A mechanic will begin by using a scan tool to check for any and all codes stored in the PCM. There may be current, history, and pending codes found, and all must be looked at along with the freeze frame data. Codes will then be cleared and a road test performed to try to duplicate the symptoms. After, a visual inspection will be done of the crankshaft position sensor and its wiring. The scan tool will be used to monitor the crankshaft position sensor readings and RPM signal. If both of those are within range, then the wiring will need to be tested. Lastly, the PCM will be tested under manufacturer-specific testing procedures. Common mistakes when diagnosing the p0335 code. Even with experienced technicians, mistakes can be made when diagnosing any code if they do not follow all diagnostic steps in the proper order. The most common cause of p0335 is the crankshaft position sensor, but every item still must be checked so things like the sensor ring or timing belt being broken are not overlooked. How serious is the p0335 code? p0335 can indicate some serious mechanical failures or electrical problems within the engine. In cases where drivability problems are present, the vehicle should not be driven until it is repaired. With some vehicles, the engine may start to run poorly then die and not restart. In any case, diagnosis should be performed to avoid damage. What repairs can fix the p0335 code? Common repairs that may fix p0335. Crankshaft sensor replaced. Repair or replace wiring harness. PCM replacement. Signal plate replaced. Engine timing belt or chain fixed along with any mechanical damage from this. Additional comments for consideration regarding the p0335 code. The crankshaft position sensor is used to monitor how fast the crankshaft is spinning. The computer reads this in RPMs. The PCM uses the crankshaft position sensor and the camshaft position sensor to vary fuel mapping and timing. An advanced level scan tool is an important diagnostic tool for p0335. The scan tool will be used to monitor the crankshaft position sensor operation. In addition, the scan tool allows technicians to look at the engine RPM and camshaft position data to assist finding where the fault is found. I hope you find this content very helpful to resolving your car problem. That prompt error code p0335. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below this video description if you have any further question.